Hannah on Facebook Works, and today I'm going to be doing something really neat. I have a special guest here, Rosie. She is my lab mix. And I'm going to be doing the Sally Hansen Real Nail Polish Strips. Has no time to dry, it peels and applies, and it lasts up to 10 days. These are like stickers that go onto your nails. I'm going to be showing you how to do this in a tutorial, and then I'm going to be going throughout the week, having this on for 10 days and seeing how good it lasts. I have had this on before. They do really, really well. Oh my goodness. I feel so bold with this whole makeup thing. I just got my hair done. I got it really short this time. I feel so old. I feel like I'm like 20 or something. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Baby. Okay, you go see. This is the box that it comes in. I really like it because it's clear, so you see exactly what you're getting when you buy it. There's a package in it which has a nail file and a buffer in one, a really handy cuticle pusher that you will see me using a lot, and a folded page of instructions which I will be showing you through this video. First, you're going to start out by sizing up all your fingers to the strip sizes. Then you just peel off the plastic film that keeps the sticker from drying, and also peel off the polish from its back to stick on your nail like a sticker, or probably a decal is more like it. I like to just roll my finger over it once it's on to kind of melt it to the nail, if that makes any sense. After that, I just get the rough end of the file to file off the excess since my nails are rather short, and use the pointy end of the cuticle pusher to get any extra polish that might be trying to overlap on the sides of my nails. Then you just repeat the steps on all your nails. Just so you know, this video is not sponsored, so I am giving a true review of what I think of this product. I will link this in the description box below, so you can go check that out if you want. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. These nail strips last so long. I went to the pool last weekend for a couple hours and it did practically nothing to them. I have some before and after photos of them during the week, but before I show you them, please subscribe if you enjoyed this video and ring the bell to be notified when more videos come out. My Snapchat is GAPiano_girl. Go follow me there. I do behind the scenes footage of me making these videos. Thank you guys so much for everything. God bless.